In this video, I will show you how to create and manage staff accounts in Shopify. So the first thing you need to do is click on settings and then click on users and then go ahead and click on roles and then click on add role and then name it like staff. And then you can also add a description here if you want. And then also you can choose the permission. So for me, I will check the select all permissions. And then after that, once you have done, just click on save. So go to users again. So to add a users here, you need a plan. So it says that your current plan does not support having staff accounts. So just click on view plans. So I will show you. So you need this, a grow plan for small teams. So you need to select this to add a user. So you need a 5 staff accounts. So that's the benefits. So you will see the role here. You can change the role as a staff here that we edit earlier. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.